Wamide, barisi kam manisi ko maninging kong salanang kong kingong ngingong nging ni.
Hala. Oh, naglandi. Sige, continue para masira lalo yung ngipin mo. So guys, gaano ba talaga karaming toothpaste yung kailangan mo pag nagtutoothbrush ka? Again, it's me, your dental nurse, Miss July. Got a dental drama? Let's sit, shit, and fix it quick. Okay guys, so a pea size or 0.25 grams lang ang para sa adult. And for children under 3 years old ay a tiny smear or kasing laki lang ng butil ng bigas. Bakit? Una, too much toothpaste doesn't clean your teeth as your brushing technique does the work. Second, it can only cause fluorosis, especially for kids. Tandaan, what you see on ads stays on ads. Paano mag-work ng better si toothpaste? Spit out excess toothpaste after brushing, wait a few seconds before rinsing, then the fluoride will do its job to protect your teeth. Tandaan, hindi masamang magtanong, ito ba ang tamang brand, ang tamang dami? Paano ito gamitin? As your smile deserves not to be tortured, as it deserves a royal treatment. So shine bright with majesty, because feeling good starts with a smile.